The mayor of Wayne is calling for a criminal investigation into why Beaumont Health paused operations at its hospital in Wayne during a pandemic. 7 investigator Heather Catallo joins us now live with a look at why the mayor is calling this a travesty. Heather?
Yes, Dave, he is calling this a travesty. He says his community relies on this hospital, so he's contacting the governor and the attorney general to find out why the doors are no longer open.
This is a travesty. And I cannot believe this is happening in America.
Wayne Mayor John Racy says he's always been a proud supporter of Beaumont Wayne. But now he wants to know why Beaumont Health has paused operations at the Wayne Hospital and why they transferred patients on ventilators to other facilities.
In my opinion, that's criminal and should be investigated in the future because this is not right.
Beaumont has said they will use the now empty Wayne location as a COVID-only hospital again if there's another surge. A spokesman says the remaining patients were transferred safely earlier this week and they are redeploying some staff to other locations. But other healthcare workers say they received layoff notices.
How do you do this to your heroes? They're putting their life on the line for us, yet they're just thrown out like garbage. This is wrong.
Relatives whose loved ones were being treated at Wayne tell 7 Action News that in those final hours of life, family members were getting calls from the hospital saying they were going to send them to other facilities. Those relatives say the patient's doctors did not agree with the decision to move the patients.
I am so sorry that happened to you. No one deserves that. No one deserves to have to go through what you've gone through. And you are owed an apology from Beaumont. And on behalf of myself and my citizens, we're ashamed that this has happened to you. This should not happen in my city.
The 7 investigators have learned a total of 39 Beaumont patients from across their system have now been transferred to the Veterans Affairs hospitals in Detroit and Ann Arbor, even though they are not military patients. 4 of them came from the Wayne campus. VA officials told us this is a historic move and they're happy to help, but they believed all of the patients were coming from hospitals at capacity, not a hospital about to close its doors. A Beaumont spokesman says Beaumont is committed to reopening Beaumont Wayne and making sure the services there both meet the community's needs and fit within our system's overall strategic plan. Mayor Racy says that's not good enough during a pandemic.
My community rallied around the hospital. My businesses have rallied around the hospital. How can you do this? How? It's just wrong.
Mayor Racy says his EMS crews are already short-staffed, so now without a hospital for COVID patients or any other kind of medical care, he's very worried response times are going to be much longer. Reporting live, I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News.
All right, Heather, thank you so much.